Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another luxury unboxing. This one is probably the most exciting one I will be doing here on my channel because I will show you basically my dream bag. I will unbox the bag in front of you and share the moment with you. And yeah, a little bit of story. Yesterday was my 34th birthday and my husband took me to Paris and he bought me my dream bag. Before unboxing the bag and show it to you, maybe I will share also my experience in the store there. Overall, the whole experience was really pleasant. The essay was also really nice and helpful. They offered us some drinks, some French macaroons. It was really nice shopping experience in general. After purchasing the bag, they gave us these black extra bags, so when we go outside the store, it's not that noticeable on the streets wearing the white Chanel bags. I think it's similar experience in the Hermes stores in Paris, where they give you a big white bag so they can cover the both orange color of the brand. So in this case they gave me black one. And also at the end I purchased the bag and they escorted us to the back exit, and they really wanted to show you some really special iconic place in this store in Paris. It's the staircase leading to the old apartment at working space of Coco Chanel, and also where she designed the clothes and where she was doing the first catwalks for Chanel. So it was really nice, also exciting place to see. Unfortunately, upstairs, the second and the third floor, they are private and we weren't able to see anything on these floors. Overall, amazing experience. Let's go and unbox the bag. Okay. And here is the address, 31 Rue Cambon, Paris. If you can see. This is the packaging. The box, absolutely beautiful. Wow. Here is I didn't notice, but they gave me like a letter. There is like a, if you can see, there is my name on it, Mariya. Let's open it. Wow. It's like a Chanel postcard. So sweet. There is some message inside. Dear Mariya, thank you so much for your visit again to 31 Rue Cambon. I wish you a fantastic birthday tomorrow. Sincerely, Mariko. So nice. Thank you, thank you. If you're watching that, Mariko, thank you so much. Beautiful, so special. It's like a really nice memory. So nice. Oh my god, I can't wait to open it. Honestly, I really don't want to open it. I want to look at it, to don't ruin the whole box packaging situation because it's really beautiful. I'm really excited because I really wanted this bag for the longest time, since I was a teenager. I was inspired actually by Misha Barton. She was the main actress in the OC series, and I loved her street style, and she was basically a Chanel girl and a Chanel handbag girl, and I was really influenced by her and her style. And yeah, this is again the box, beautiful, the flower, and the bag, it's black. So I will remove the flower. Okay, here this back, and also it comes with this thingy, so you can really massage the bag, the leather, and clean it from the dust and pollution. Let's remove also this plastic thing here. We have the classic flap in medium size in lambskin with gold hardware. And this is my dream bag. I'm so happy. It's such a beautiful bag. I mean, in real life, maybe the camera cannot do justice, but it's really stunning. The leather, the whole concept of the bag, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm sweating right now. I love it. Long story short, you know, if you are a Chanel fashion lover, you know this is the most classic bag Chanel ever created. I really love it, not just for that fact alone, but in general, I think it's a lovely bag. It's very versatile. I love that fact about this bag. And it's a classic, it's timeless basically, so I can really wear it my whole life basically. Also give it to my future daughter or granddaughter so they can enjoy it as well, hopefully, as much as I think I'll do. If you know, it comes also in a caviar leather, also in a lambskin leather. I was not really a big fan of the caviar version of the bag, of the leather. I always wanted the lambskin, so I went for that. I really listened to my heart and intuition in that. I really listened to my heart basically, and this is the bag really. This is the leather, kind of leather that really makes my heart sing. I had both of them in front of me, and I was really drawn to this one. And also there's some, again, pros and cons for both kind of leather, but I really, for me, the look of the bag is the most important in this decision when it comes to picking up the bag. I love the sheen of the lambskin, how soft it is, how smooth the leather is. I love the fact that it's also lighter than caviar skin. The caviar leather is also really nice. Many people, they prefer it also because it's more durable than the lambskin, but I don't care. I love it. Look at the sheen. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, huh? Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So here you go. You have here a zip pocket, double flap. Inside you have some tissue paper, and as I recommended that I keep it when I don't use the bag, I keep the tissue paper inside, so it keeps the bag in a good shape. It's burgundy inside, leather, and inside you have the number. 1 year ago I did a video where I was asking you also if I should go for a vintage version or for the new one. I was really worried about the quality issues going on in the last years. So many of you really advised me to go for the vintage version, and I love it. Don't get me wrong, I have seen so many vintage bags in person, and I love the rich gold, yellow gold, but I was missing this puffiness, you know, this puffiness where we have it here, and I think that I would love it as well, the vintage one, but not that much as the new version. It's 5 years guarantee. If something happens with the chain, with the lock, with the leather, you can go and you have this warranty of 5 years, and after that you have, let's say, in a couple of years, in 10-20 years, if you want to pass it to a family member, you can also go, and for a certain amount they can recover maybe and polish the edges, you know, and put it in a better shape. But overall, I'm so happy with the bag. You can wear it shoulder, shoulder, in a couple of months I'll probably update you on how I like it after some period of time. Follow me also on Instagram. Probably I will post a lot of pictures and videos with this beauty, so you can also see it in a different styles and fits. I will do another video after a couple of months letting you know how I like it, if I have some complaints already, hopefully no complaints, and yeah, I will update you. Also, maybe I'll do a regular thing like a couple of months, maybe in 1 year I will let you know in 2 years and show you the different how it looks now and how it looks, you know, let's say in 1 year or 2 years. Hope you like it as much as I do, and I'm really thankful that I have this opportunity really to purchase this kind of treasure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.